Hi there, this is Hassan Aqaf from Easy English Grammar. Well, conditionals. Conditionals are one of the most confusing English grammar. In this short video, we're going to learn the three main types of conditionals and how to use them properly. Let's take a look at the short story. Once upon a time, there was a little kid named Ali. One day his father came and told him, "Tell me, my little boy, what would you do if you became the president?" Then Ali started thinking a little bit and said, "You know, Dad, if I became the president, I would solve the education problem." Years passed, and now Ali is a real presidential candidate, and he's just one step from achieving his goal to be the president. He started talking to the folks, to his audience, and said, "You know, people, if I become the president, I will solve the education problem." But as you know, life is not always fair. He failed the elections. And this time, he started talking again to the audience and said, "If I had become the president, I would have solved the education problem." Well, now the story ends. At the beginning of our story, our hero Ali was just dreaming about being the president, and he has almost no hope to be at the time. That's why he used F-type 2. So we use F-type 2 when we just dream about something and we almost have no hope for that. You can also note that F-type 2 is F plus past simple. If I became the president, F plus past in the F clause. And the main clause is would plus infinitive. I would solve the education problem. That's type 2. Later, when Ali is a real presidential candidate and he just one step from achieving his goal, he used F-type 1. So we use F-type 1 when we talk about possible future actions. You can also note that F-type 1 is F plus present simple, if I become the president. And the main clause is will plus infinitive. I will solve the education. Well, finally, when Ali lost the elections and he regretted his loss, he used F-type 3. So we use F-type 3 when we talk about past and impossible situation, or in another way, when we regret doing something in the past. That's why he used here F-type 3. You can also note that F-type 3 is F plus past perfect had become. You know, past perfect is had plus past participle. So if I had become in the F clause, hence the main clause is would have plus past participle. I would have solved the education problem. Well, I hope that helped you. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell so you can get a notification every time a new lesson is published. Thanks for watching. See you.